Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be introducing to you a new way of using Mailchimp, which is collecting data, more specifically the email addresses of people. Now, using Mailchimp is mainly to make bulk email and send them. But in this video, we are going to collect data instead. So will be the bottom of sending emails, which is collecting the emails to whom we are going to send to. So normally I would suggest that you have, or basically having a website is a requirement, and then go ahead and click on create. Here I'm going to choose sign up form, and here is going to be a pop-up form. From this area, click and create pop-up form, and make sure to choose, let me just choose newsletter, sign up, this one, event or webinar sign up, then click on continue. Here I'm going to choose something that has email. Okay, this one is good. Apply. As you can see, here I'm going to choose template, and I'm just gonna name it template YouTube. And I'm gonna go ahead. What type of data would you like to collect? Make sure to choose email address. In case you would like to collect phone numbers, then check this and choose this one. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do so since I will need to basically have a premium version and other stuff as well. Click on create form, and once this is done, make sure to link it with your website. This is how it would look like. Make sure to edit it before you add it so you can have it fully uh, working as thematic of your website and doesn't go out of the topic of your site. Of course, you can change pictures, text, and buttons and everything within this page. Once you are done with that, go and save it and add it to your site, which we had a video about how we can add them. So yeah guys, thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.